Hey there, this is Pamela Elaine, and I am delighted that you stopped by to watch this video. You are here because you are either preparing for or going through a divorce. First, I want you to know you are not alone. Second, I know you have a lot of fears going through divorce. Fear of the unknown, fear of losing your children, fear of moving on, fear of separating and moving out, fear of how much support you'll either pay or receive, fear of dating, fear of living alone, fear of how much time you might get with your kids, fear of how your kids will get through this divorce if they'll be messed up as a result, fear of the stress and impact of divorce on your job, your friendships. A lot of fears, right? I know. How can you manage all of these fears during the most emotionally upsetting period of your life? But what if you could lump all of those fears into one and just deal with that one fear instead of 50 others? Would you have less stress? Would you make better decisions for yourself and for your family? Would you be able to save time, save money? Would you be able to deal with your fears post-divorce? Because there are fears that come after divorce. You have between 12,000 and 60,000 thoughts every day. The majority of those thoughts are repetitive, and 80% of them are negative. All of these fears are just masquerading as one BFF, big fat fear. And that big fat fear is, I am not enough. And that main thought, I am not enough, is your big fat fear. This big fat fear causes you to make rash decisions and big mistakes that cost you time and money and peace of mind, and make worse a difficult relationship you already have with your spouse. What you need most is to get clear about one thing, and that is you are enough. And with clarity coaching, you will realize that you cannot change your spouse no matter how hard you try. The only person that you can change is yourself. And isn't that a good thing? To have power where power really matters, and that's with yourself. If you're willing to change how you feel about yourself, then that changes your circumstances. So schedule today to get your clarity coaching sessions. I look forward to it.